Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change your Google form header text style. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is go ahead and select the little paint icon up at the top that says Customize Theme. Go ahead and select that button. And over on the right side, you can adjust the header style for the questions, the text, or the header. You can adjust the font by clicking the drop down, select whatever font you want to change it to, and that's pretty much it. So, as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.